Hello students, this is your maths teacher Praveen sir, and this is first worksheet of week 3, and the day for the worksheet is 20th of July, and this worksheet is basically based on a polynomial chapter, that is chapter number 2. So let us look this worksheet what it is asking us. So the polynomial basically defines in many terms, right? It can be defined in many expression that can be in single term, two term, three term, and four term. So the first term, if we we look to the single term expression of the polynomial, it called monomial, and two term expression called binomial, and three term it's called trinomial, and more than three term can call polynomial. So let us look what this polynomial worksheet is asking us to work on it. So the question is, in the following circle the polynomial. This is our question number 1. Question number 1, root x plus 2, what is type of it is a polynomial or not? Just before that, we'll try to understand how we can define the different type of expression and different type of polynomials. So as I told you, the single expression, the single algebraic expression is called monomial. Let's say root x is called monomial. The similarly, when we have a two term expression, that is like root x plus 2 is called binomial. And similarly, when we have a three term expression, it's called trinomial, and then polynomial, right? So, and when we have a single number like 0, 1, 2, 3, it is also called a polynomial, but it is called a constant polynomial. Okay, so we'll start our question here. We need to circle to the polynomial, not to the constant polynomial, not to the zero polynomial. So first is root x plus 2, that is a polynomial. So we'll circle it because this is a polynomial. Second one is also polynomial. Third one is also a polynomial, but the fourth one is not a polynomial. It's a constant polynomial, and which a question is not asking us to circle on it. So we have to circle only onto the polynomial. So when we have a algebraic expression of one or more terms having only whole number, the called polynomial. So here number 8 is the constant polynomial. So I hope you all understood what is a polynomial and what is constant polynomial all are. So that was a worksheet number 1. Let us look to the worksheet number 2. So this is worksheet number 2, and the day is 22nd of July, and the worksheet number is basically number 8, but this is a worksheet number 2 of week 3. So let's check what this worksheet is asking us. Before that, as I told you in worksheet number 1, the last worksheet, as I told you what is how we can define the different polynomials, right? Just look at here, this worksheet also saying the same thing. The polynomial having only one term is called monomial, two term is called binomial, and three term is called trinomial, and four terms it's called polynomial, and when we have a single term, two term, and all the generic, we can say that the whole, the all are the terms, we can also say the polynomial as well. So the polynomial is basically we can classify it in the three different different term: monomial, binomial, and trinomial. And what are the what are the different degrees we can call? Here we can see the different degrees. When we have a single degree, in one degree, it's called linear polynomial. Here you can see that. And when you have a, let me color to the different with the different color, 2 degree, let's suppose we have a x plus 1. So here we can say there is no degree on algebraic expression on x, so it is called a linear polynomial. And when we have a x square plus 1, so it is called quadratic polynomial. And when we have a 3 degree, let's suppose we have a y 3 plus 8, so I'm talking about this degree, the degree on the algebraic expression. So it is called a cubic polynomial. 1 degree called a linear, 2 degree called quadratic, and 3 degree called cubic. So let's look at question. Let's come to our questions. So these are the questions, and we need to classify the following as monomial, binomial, trinomial, linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial. This question we already done in our last class, in 8th class. The same question we had in 8th class. So I hope you all can understand, you all can understand what we have to do. We need to make a table, and we need to classify all the terms into the table. Let's suppose first we have, let me classify to the, so you all will understand. Let's suppose you need to make a table, okay, and our expression is y square minus plus y. So this is binomial because it has 2 terms, so this is binomial. So we'll write it here, binomial. And this is 2 degree 2, y has a degree 2, so it is quadratic binomial. So you need to make a table, a proper table, and you need to write down its term, and you need to write down its degree. So I hope you all understood what this question was asking us and how we can make it. So let's start. Let's check the true and false, how we can make it. So the first is asking us the coefficient of x square in the polynomial 5x cube minus 4x square plus 3 is 4. The coefficient of x square is in the, so here we can see the coefficient. Let me change the color and let me make it bold. So minus 4x square has a coefficient is 4. So yes, it is 4, but it is minus 4, so this is wrong. Degree of polynomial 4x square is 2. So degree of 4x square is 2. Yes, it is correct. So 2x cube plus 1 is a linear polynomial. So I hope you all can do this. Let's come to worksheet number 3. Let's come to the worksheet number 3. The worksheet number 3 is has a question. We need to put x value in our expression. So here we can say how we can put the value of the x in our algebraic expression. So we have px is equal to x minus 2, and we need to put the value of x is 0. So when we put the value of x is 0, we'll have the answer is minus 2. The same you need to put in our next question. So here the next example is this: x minus 2. Let me clear x minus 2, and x has a value is 1. So we will put 1 where we have x, so we'll get 1. So this is very easy, and I already taught you about this in the previous videos of the polynomial. So I hope you all can do this now. So these are the 3 worksheet of week number 3. Thank you, students.